What's up guys, Chaotic Force Gaming here. Today we are opening the new box, which is sponsored by Magic di Pate. And yeah, let's start. The set is including many new reprints like Herald, which was really expensive because of the reprint of Necros, a new artwork of Five-Head Dragon. Also, Engage is reprinted, All Swords, and the new Amulet is now coming out in the TCG. Also, Afterburner gets a reprint. And next pack, nothing special. Upgrade for Salamander for rarity, and Utopia Kaiser, which was a prize card back then. Also the Vision Heroes got new support, and another number monster. Water of Life, the Salamander Field Spell in Ultra Rare looks sick. Stratos is a reprint and a new TG monster. This is really beautiful. Both dragons, white and black, get a higher rarity bump, which is nice. Then also this is a really good reprint because it is a really old card, summon limit, and it's pretty powerful. And nothing special. Some rarity bumps for Elsa Shadowed, Predator Plants, and here's the new Black Luster Soldier Link monster, which is pretty good. Also Guru gets his rarity bump. I personally think Secret will be more sick, but this is also really nice. And here's the first really good reprint, Widow Anchor. We have a Hedgehog, some cards, and here's the first really nice card, Engage, a reprint which everyone should love because Striker is the best deck. Vision Hero, some cards, and the Vision Fusion. And this is probably the most, or the best card for the future is Amiraj. Salamander Amiraj. It isn't played in Salamander, especially more for just other deck, because it's a generic link one monster. For example, you can just summon Sangan, make him search Multifaker, or if you already have Multifaker, a hand trap. Another Vision Hero. Ray. This looks so beautiful in Secret Rare, to be honest. I'm so happy that she get a rarity bump. Also Slumber, rarity bump and good reprint, because it raised in price since it get back to free.
This was an enemy card, was played by Yugi.
Shadows, also a good reprint because it was quite expensive, and one of the best reprints because I love Necros is Cycle, because this was as a rarely expensive, and now you can play especially every Necros ritual spell in Secret Rare. Another Wool, another other dragon, a Scythe, which was pretty necessary because this card was really expensive. Foolish, nice rarity, and the Tretrix links, which is also pretty good. Another Stratos, Lancea, also nice rarity bump. Another Scythe and Cyberstein in secret, also really sick. And this was so deserved. This Pancratops is getting a secret rare reprint because it's probably one of the most staple Cytec cards for a long time and also will be in the future. And in secret he looks pretty sick. 3 packs left.
Do you get Borsod?
Not yet already, but not a really important card for the next formats is Lamder. He's just generic except tokens, and his effect is that you can just use Cyframes even if you have monsters, and at the end phase you can search one, and this can be really impactful in the future. Then another Vision Hero monster and last pack. And a Ball Sword also. Nice. The most expensive card in the deck. Also the reprint was really necessary and he's just at all a really good card. And yes, this was the entire deck profile. At the end, Shadows to our team, Chaotic Force Gaming, our sponsors Ultra Comic and Especial Magic Dilapate for the display. And yes, thank you guys for listening and look at the deck profile.